I was drawn to Nacro because their brand was really bold and interesting to me, and their campaigns also really stood out to me as being really powerful, and I wanted to be part of an organisation that makes change. So I'm in the marketing team. I look after the social media, website and external newsletter. My journey with Nacro has been just over a year, and one of the things I've enjoyed most about working here is getting to go all over the country, meet the different people we support, as well as my colleagues who do such an amazing job every day. Education, housing, health, the list goes on. They do so much for so many different people who've faced barriers in their lives, and it means that for me that I'm always learning about the systems that hold people back. The thing that makes me really proud to work for Nacro, amongst many things, is the fact that last year we supported 33,000 people. To describe Nacro in one word, it would be listeners. We listen to people.